supplies and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Arizona on this Ranger RCI 992. Jeff, you ordered the tuning alignment and the tune-up video. So here we go. We're going to start with our power all the way down. 100 watt slug. We got to set it at 5 watts, that way if you decide to run an amp you got full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 100 watt slug. There's 50. Let's see, average power swing. Hello. Of course, as always, it pegs a 100 watt scale on average. 250 watt slug in average. Hello, hello, hello. About 115 bird average. PEP. Hello. About 240. That's what we got with the basic tuning alignment here, Jeff. I'm going to get this out to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.